So got that installed, wrapped around. I cut it off. It's just hanging right at the lip of that hole right there, so it goes down. We bent our tabs across. Bent a couple of these on accident, but straighten those out. And trying to make sure these are not bent. So next thing we need to do is, another thing you're supposed to do is, this is a thermostat. This thermostat originally comes in the back position. It's supposed to be updated, move it like this. Now, you're supposed to check the resistance on that. I'm pretty sure mine's fine. They say if it's encased in ice, you should replace it, but I don't have another one. I ordered some from Amazon. They didn't show up yet, and my food is getting warm, and that's not good. So I'm gonna just do it and cross my fingers and see. I'm gonna go see if I can find the information for checking the resistance. I'll try to do it real quick, but I don't think I have those numbers, but I'll double check.